What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We are making stir-fried clam with black bean. Sounds good, right?
Black bean's always popular.
But I'm going to put some ginger. I already minced it because Colvin wanted me to do quick today. And then mint garlic. I already soaked the black bean and clean it a little bit. Try to get rid of the water. Smash it to make the black bean sauce. You want to smash the black bean, add a little bit liquid, you know. If you don't have that, you can use soy sauce. A little bit dark soy. See the like a paste consistency. For the clam, I put it in water, put a little bit salt in it to let the salt come out, and I use the toothbrush clean. And I'm cheating. I have some clam that I bought, and I'm gonna put it in.
You bought it like
meat.
that?
That's more meat, right? Colvin's like,
Will it taste any different?
It might be, but it's going to be good. Little oil. And now my splash. Give you a chance to cook because it's ginger and garlic. You want to cook a little bit. See, you know, dump it in.
They're just gonna open up for it?
Yeah, when it opens up, you cook. The other clam is already cooked. I'm going to put it in last minute, or it will be overdone. It's overdone, it's chewy. I forgot to put some sugar in it because the clam is naturally salty because it's from the sea. So I'm going to put a little sugar. It starts opening, but I want to make sure that it's cooked. I'm going to cover it for a minute.
That will force it to open?
Yeah. See, it start opening. I'm going to put this in here. More meat, right? See that? It pops open. But when it opens, you want to cook it for a minute because you want the sauce to go in. It'll be tastier. And that's to turn it off. Picture time.
Picture time.